My name is Micah Barnes, and I'm a journalism major. I chose Webster because it was close to home, so I can still see my family, and they had a good journalism program. I'm an athlete. I compete in cross country and track and field for the university. I am the editor-in-chief of the Ampersand magazine, and I'm also a work-study student in the School of Communications. I also am part of the internship program, and right now I'm a features intern at the St. Louis Post-Dispatch. It was really important that I was able to receive scholarships when I was coming here. Being raised by a single mother, that extra money was really useful for me, and getting those scholarships helped me be where I am today. Not only did the leadership scholarship help me financially to get to Webster, but it also is preparing me to be a better leader by me being involved with the Webster Leads program and learning with peers to learn how to better myself and better my leadership ability. And I think that's something that will really impact me in the future. I've learned so much already as a sophomore. I've already had 2 internships, and I just feel like with my advisor and with my peers and with my coaches, I feel like I've been pushed to be the best version of myself, and I'm really excited to see how I turn out.